What's up, sports rehab experts? Today we're going to be talking about why the Powell raise is exponentially better and more useful than the T raise that you'll commonly see in most rehab programs for the shoulder. Powell raise being so much better that I never actually really include T raises in my programs anymore to begin with. When you're on your stomach performing the T raise, the range of motion that you perform the exercise through is from 90 degrees. Your arm is straight down towards the floor to 90 degrees or parallel with the ground. There's very limited range of motion that this exercise is performed through. Versus the Powell raise, when you're on your side, there's 180 degrees of range of motion. You take the weight all the way down by your side, compress the arm all the way to the chest, and then lift it all the way vertically towards the ceiling. More range of motion, you're putting more stress through the tendon in the lengthened positions where it's often the most weakest, and you're creating a longer time under tension. So this begs the question, why ever do a T raise in the first place when you have the Powell raise at your disposal, just as easily performed? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. Is T raise worth doing, or should we just be doing Powell raise? Do you perform either of these? Do you like them both? Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments section below. We'll be back at it soon with another video for you real soon.